just thought I'd do a video here just on this drill that I got in the fall. Got it off my neighbor. He's an older fella there, wasn't using it anymore. Yeah, actually I don't even think he used it at all, to be honest, but from what I understand, I think his kids gave it to him as a gift back in 1994, give or take, so you're like 30 years. And if he did use it, he probably only used it once, and so it's like a brand new 1992 Delta drill press. Ended up getting this for $250. Couldn't really pass up that deal. Not too often you can get like a brand new drill press for that. Like something like this, you'd be into like, I don't know, $500-600, maybe, give or take, maybe more. Like I said, it's brand new, hardly ever been used. There's a spec tag on it there. There's the motor, all brand new. This might come in handy for some projects I have to do later on, either woodworking or just some metal work or whatever. I can use it for pretty much anything. It's got, obviously you can adjust the, it's got a chart up inside there. It's just for adjusting the bands for whatever you're going to be drilling. So it's all clean in there. Like I said, it's like brand new, nothing. It's never been under heavy load or nothing like that, or not even used, I believe. So I got the key check for it too, all that stuff, even the original owner's manual. Like I said, this is a pretty good score. Pretty much the only thing I didn't really have was a good drill press, and yeah, I was really thankful to even get this for was $250, so pretty awesome. Pretty stoked about it, actually. I oiled everything up on it there, all the just moving parts there, just so nothing would seize up. I got it bolted down to this 2 foot by 2 foot wooden pad I made. Just for now, at least, anyway. You know, if I ever get like a shop or a better setup here later on, then I can move it around. So, but yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate all the views and all the subscribers recently. And thanks a lot to everybody, and we'll catch you later. Cheers.